Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button and click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.